With that, let me turn it over to Congressman Takano.
Well, thank you, Ranking Member Blumenthal. Thank you for calling this committee opportunity. I want to keep things very simple today. Health insurance is critical. Health insurance is critical. Let me say that one more time. Health insurance is critical. Without health insurance, patients are forced to delay or forego care, risking worse health outcomes and even premature death. At a time when the cost of living for everyday Americans is already skyrocketing due to unsustainable increases in the cost of groceries, utilities, childcare, and housing, Americans can't afford more expenses. And we know that health care is the top concern on the minds of Americans. But health care costs are continuing to rise thanks to Donald Trump and the Republicans' refusal to take action. More than 24 million people who purchase health insurance through the Affordable Care Act are also facing challenges that could cause them to lose their health care, including hundreds of thousands of veterans and their family members. Health insurance premiums for everyone are expected to increase by an average of 18% next year, the largest increase since 2018. I myself buy my health care from the DC Exchange. Predictably, I saw my health insurance premiums rise. If that's not bad enough, Republicans refuse to extend the enhanced premium tax credits for folks on the ACA plans, as Senator Blumenthal mentioned, which are set to expire at the end of the year. If this happens, Americans on these insurance plans will see their out-of-pocket costs double or triple, and this includes more than 600,000 non-elderly veterans, those veterans that are not yet eligible for Medicare. About 43% of them, the 267,000 U.S. veterans that we see mentioned on this placard and who Senator Blumenthal also referenced, about 43% of them, more than 267,000 veterans, will become uninsured because they can't afford to pay significantly higher premiums. Who among us really could pay double or triple what they're paying now? That just busts many budgets. And why does this matter? ACA plans are essential for many veterans who don't live near a VA facility or who don't qualify for VA care. So many Americans are under the misimpression, Senator, come forward, under the misimpression that all veterans get their care from the VA. There's about 20 million veterans in this country, and only half of them really get their care from VA. Actually, less than half. As I said, veterans that live far from a VA facility or don't qualify for VA care. An untold number of veterans dependents, so dependents of veterans, also rely on ACA plans, and many of them are now facing the grim reality of going without health insurance coverage come January. In the House, we just have 12 more legislative days before these unaffordable Care Act tax credits expire, and if Republicans continue to refuse to come to the table to extend them before the end of the year, these veterans and their loved ones will suffer. This reality is unacceptable. Now, Democrats refuse to stand by while veterans and other hardworking Americans are forced to make an impossible choice between paying significantly more out of pocket or losing their health insurance altogether. It's that simple. Veterans know that we value your sacrifices. Let me say it again, I want to speak directly to veterans. Veterans know that we value your sacrifices and that we see the struggles you're facing in receiving the care you've earned and need. Republicans are running out of time to come to the table and avert this healthcare crisis. Democrats stand ready to do the right thing for veterans and all Americans, and thank you.
Thank you.